In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfreeze columns in Smartsheet. If you've ever locked a column to the left side of your sheet to keep important information visible while you scroll, that's called freezing a column. It's handy when you're working with wide sheets, but sometimes you'll want that column to move freely again. Unfreezing is quick, and I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you can see the column headers across the top of the sheet. Frozen columns usually sit to the far left, separated from the rest of the sheet by a subtle divider. If you notice that a column stays put while you scroll horizontally, that's a good sign it's frozen and ready to be unfrozen. Move your cursor up to the header of the column you want to unfreeze. Don't click yet. Just hover over the header area so Smartsheet knows which column you're targeting. Now, right-click directly on that column header to bring up the context menu. This is the menu with quick actions that apply specifically to the column you selected. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Unfreeze Column and click it. That's the entire action. The moment you choose Unfreeze Column, Smartsheet releases that column from the locked position on the left. You'll notice the divider shift, and when you drag the horizontal scroll bar, that column will move along with the rest of your sheet again. To double-check that it worked, try scrolling left and right. The previously frozen column should now slide naturally with your other columns. If you don't see Unfreeze Column in the menu, that usually means the column you right-clicked isn't actually frozen. In that case, look for a different column on the left that's staying put while you scroll and try the same process there. And if you've frozen more than one column, simply repeat the same action. Hover over the header, right-click, and choose Unfreeze Column for each one you want to release. If you're on a trackpad and not seeing the context menu, use a two-finger click or your device's alternative for a right click. Also, be sure you're clicking right on the column header, not inside a cell, since the menu options differ. That's all there is to it. Hover over the column you want to unfreeze, right-click, choose Unfreeze Column, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Smartsheet.